To get started with our vehicle share program, download the apps needed to operate the vehicle and review the instructions on the Spark webpage. Spark is based at the District of Invermere office. When you arrive to rent the car, you're going to get the key, and we will have given you a 4-letter code to get into our lockbox and get the key out. After you get the key, give the code a few spins so that you don't leave the code open to everyone else. Okay, you're going to unplug the car and return the cable to the charger. And you're ready to go. Right now it's estimating that we have 260 kilometers of range, but depending on the road conditions or how you drive, it could be more or less than that. When you're ready to drive, push the button on the left and pull it down 2 notches to the L. That's regenerative braking mode, where it'll start to charge the battery as soon as you take your foot off the accelerator, and it gives you much better range. To put it back into park, push the P at the top. If you need to go in reverse, push the button on the left, slide it forward, and then to the side. While on the road, you'll find 2 types of commercial charging stations. Level 3, which is a fast charger. So these fast chargers will charge your car from 20% up to 80% in probably 45 minutes usually. And we generally recommend that you don't charge above 80% at the fast chargers. It starts to get a little hard on the battery, and the rate that you're charging at also slows down as soon as you have those higher charge levels in your battery. These fast chargers have 2 kinds of plugs. We're going to use the CCS plug that fits into our Chevy Bolt. We're going to flip this down in order to use the fast charger. There are 2 ways to get these fast chargers working. The first one is to use the flow card, like this. So you can also use the app to initiate the charging. So I'll just click on the charger. Station's available. I'm here. I'm going to start the session. You can tell you're charging successfully when you can see this little green light flashing on the dash. And there are also level 2 chargers. At these level 2 chargers, it could take you 8 hours to get, or more, to get a full charge, compared with a fast charger where you can do that in maybe 45 minutes. So once you return the car, we'd like you to wipe it down and just clean all the high touch surfaces. So we have some wipes in the car. Going to take those out and then just wipe down anywhere that you've touched so that it's nice and clean for the next user. And if you have any garbage in the car, please clean up any mess that you had and leave it nice and clean for the next user. The charging card remains at all times in the glove box and comes out only at the end when you activate the charging station with it at the District of Invermere. Once you have plugged the charger cable into the car, return the charging card in its envelope to the glove compartment. Remember to use the key to lock the car and drop it back into the lockbox. And again, give the lock numbers a little spin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share Spark with family and friends.